up everyone, it's Mark here with M2M Detail. Today guys, we got a great video. We're gonna be doing ceramic coating. Get that fly. We're gonna be doing ceramic coating on the tires of the Tundra. We're gonna see how this works. This video is just gonna be the application process. And then our following video will probably be a couple months down the road to see how they hold up. Probably shoot you in a couple weeks after we keep washing the truck, see how they look, see if they're getting that orange or anything, or not looking good. So we'll let you guys know as soon as we know. Prepping, you're gonna make sure you clean the vehicle, wash the vehicle of course. And then for the tires, we did Multi-X from CarPro. If you guys need that, check out the link in the description. Guys, the Limit Car Care website, and we also sell it at our website. Let's get straight into it. We're gonna be doing the unboxing right now, guys. BlackOut, it's called, from CarPro. You're gonna get the little 50 milligrams, I believe. 50 milligrams right here. And you do get a tire applicator, guys. We don't need instructions, we know how to do this. So we're gonna be applying one coat, let it dry for an hour, apply another coat, and you can keep doing that if you want to, do more in 2 coats if you want. We're just gonna be doing 2 coats. So the tire applicator does look nice, does fit pretty decent. We do got a microfiber little block pad right here, guys, so I might use this just to get more in the crevices. Not sure how this is gonna work out, but we do have a towel, guys, just in case we get on the matte black wheels. We do not want ceramic coat on that. They're matte black, they're not gloss black, so we just want to make sure we're not getting coating on there. So guys, it says it's under pressure, so be careful when you open it. Let's get straight into the video because I'm pumped up. Oh damn, that's under pressure. That shit got everywhere. I see that? It's dripping. Holy shit. So it was under pressure. They were not lying. So we're gonna have to grab another towel, and it does smell pretty strong, but not too bad. We're pretty ventilated, so we should be fine. Let me just get this all nice and clean. Got some tire coating for the concrete, very good. So we're gonna grab our tire applicator, guys, and we're just gonna put a nice little line on that. Put down the floor, and then let's see how this. And guys, this is gonna take a lot of coating. I can tell by how it's smearing on, and I don't know if this is gonna work out too good for mine. But we're gonna use it for a little bit, see how it works. So you guys see I'm trying to get real close to the rim so we don't have to touch that area again. And this is gonna work really good to get in that area right there. So we should be okay right there. So just work our way around. My favorite sound. So guys, I am super pumped about this coating. I can't tell you enough. I've been wanting to try this for a while now, so pretty excited. We're using a lot of coating, guys. Get over to Michelin. Let him know we care about him. We got the inside really good. I'm gonna go to the microfiber pad to get this outside, just so we get better coverage on the little stuff like this. And we're just gonna work that in there. Just like that. So that's getting a lot better in the little cracks. So we just take our time, work this all the way around. Funny thing is that I'm gonna be buying new tires in a couple months, so I don't know. Don't know about that. So guys, we will be rolling the car forward just so we can get that underside right there. But until then, let's just try to get as much on as we can. But then it kind of dries like flat, so it's looking really nice. So we're just gonna go one more time around, make sure everything looks good. All right guys, I'm gonna go do the other 2 tires. It's a lot of work. It's very hard to get all those little cracks and stuff, but it's looking good. The front one's already looking very matte finish, so very nice. This one's looking a little shiny right now, so hopefully it dries out just like the front one did. But I'll be right back. All right guys, time for coat 2. I did find out by using the applicator on the other side, it worked pretty good. So I think we're just gonna use this and see how good we can get in those crevices. All right, let's get to it. All right guys, so we're all done. We're gonna let it dry for about 4 hours. That's the cure time on them. And then we'll get them out in sunlight. But stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'll give you some updates, how they look, how they react to the road driving, dirt, water. So it's supposed to be a lot more hydrophobic. So we'll find out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. As always, Mark out.